It started.
What do I do?
You're sad. You're an emo person. Hello, children.
I'm bad emo, I can't do it.
Mother Gertrude is good. She loves all of her children. Why do you wear so much black? It's harmful to the environment. She keeps laughing at me. Why?
So you're a crazy hippie?
Maybe if you took in some of the environment, you wouldn't be so... Yeah.
Whatever.
We have their special remedy. It's called Mary something. Anyway, it makes everything better and gives you an understanding of life.
Understanding.
Yeah. This necklace I got from Peace. It's Peace. It's from here. It loves you.
This necklace I got out of the factory.
You're a horrible person. My eye says hi. My eye says hi because I want everyone to be welcome in my life, except for her. She's not right yet, but I can help her with my environmental skills. And you can learn to love. You just need a hug. God respects love in some ways. Some people show their love in different ways. I guess love for you is rubbing spit on my face. I accept you, sister. I accept you.
You missed my face.
I'm sorry. I'll try again. I'm sorry, sister.
Let's just fucking do it back.
Anyway. You just need a hug. This is all she needed, people. Watch the transformation. Now let's get rid of that god-awful hat with the sins of nature. Skulls is death.
Try to take it and I'll bite you.
Biting is bad.
Why your animals do it all the time, Miss Mother Nature?
That's because I tried to take a hat. Hat is bad.
Hat will bite.
Don't bite me, you scary vampire child. You're pissing me off. Who the hell gave you a fish? Hello, Mother Nature's creature. Don't eat that fish.
Never eat fish.
I don't believe you.
It stinks.
This is a harmless animal that loves the environment. Bring out your animal that I gave you. What did you do?
Want some duck?